Welcome back. You may be in a position where your PlayStation 5 is either crashing, it's freezing, maybe you're playing a game and for some reason the games crash or they don't start up. This can happen for a lot of different reasons, but theoretically, I'll be honest, the main reason why this may be happening is because the games that you're actually trying to play, in them in the first place, the games that were developed, may have not been ported out correctly for the PlayStation 5s. Now, a little history lesson, the same thing pretty much happened with the PlayStation 4s, and I think even the PS3s. When that transition happened early on, a lot of the games that may have been available or that you could download straight from the PlayStation Store that were originally for, the predecessor console, it may not actually be fully working for the next generation. So in reality, the main thing that I would recommend you to do is essentially just wait. Maybe you can go ahead. Now, let's say you've been waiting and maybe it works on other people's consoles, but it doesn't work on your console. Well, in this specific case, I would highly recommend you to go ahead and update the software on your PlayStation 5. Now, we'll go ahead and put the instructions exactly on how to do it, on the screen. I'm pretty sure it's going into your settings, then going into your software update panel, and then, updating the software that way. That is essentially the number one thing you can do to go ahead and fix this specific situation. Now, let's say your PlayStation 5 is just not turning on at all. Maybe it goes up to, the PlayStation 5 logo or whatever, the Sony logo, and then it crashes there. Well, in that case, you may actually end up having a power issue. There may not be enough power going to the PlayStation 5. And in this specific case, what I would recommend doing is double checking the HDMI cord, making sure, that's fully functional and everything. On top of this, what I would recommend doing at this point is unplugging your PlayStation 5 and all accessories that are plugged into your PlayStation 5 right now. You would not believe how many times this can actually end up being the issue. So straight up just unplugging everything that's plugged into your PlayStation 5. And then, give it a couple minutes. At that point, you want to plug back in your PlayStation 5. Try turning on that console and see what happens. You should be able to see your PlayStation 5 boot up on the screen, and most of the time this will go ahead and go through and you'll be perfectly fine. Now, there can be situations where maybe the PlayStation 5 doesn't, boot up properly again. In that specific case, I would recommend seeing if you're able to update the software. If not, you may have to go ahead and hard reset your PlayStation 5 by going into save mode. And I do have a couple videos explaining that, but I will leave PlayStation, their official save mode option and the tutorial and all of that stuff linked down below, so you can go ahead and go through there if these methods don't work. So again, one way is through the games not working, the other way is through this actual system not working. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.